This is Coco and she doesn't mind the Hoover I've posted before. My other cat, Chloe, just ran away. Ready? Baba. Hey, good girl. Good girl. My Hoover, which I had from Argos for £59. I've got 2 of them. They're brilliant. Would buy again. But she doesn't mind the Hoover. She usually plays with it, but now sometimes if I'm hoovering, I hoover her as well. So she's good as gold. Aren't you, Baba? Yeah, Coco is her name. I always call her Baba for baby. Baba. Can't get my words out today. She's good as gold. She's half Maine Coon Bengal, and we play ball every night as well. And she cuddles up to me like my other cat, Chloe, who's 11, who just ran away. So I'll post a picture of her on the end of the video later. Bye. Bye, say. That's Chloe. Chloe. Hi. Chloe. Hi. And that's Coco. Hi, Coco. Bye. Have a good day. That's Chloe. Chloe. Hi. Chloe. Hi. And that's Coco. Hi, Coco. Bye. Have a good day.